Hello everyone, welcome to the WebSphere Commerce Development Online Demo. Let me introduce myself before we move ahead. I am Deepak, who is going to be a trainer for the online demo. I have over 8 years of industry experience developing various e-commerce solutions for different clients ranging from various geographic locations. And I'm also a WebSphere Commerce certified consultant. Um, Before we move ahead, let me give you a brief about the course detail. So the entire course would last for around 30 hours, which will be covered by taking 1.5 hours daily. We would be providing you the software as well as materials as and when we complete the course. For more details, please contact at the email address and the numbers given below. For this demo today, we will talk a little bit about what WebSphere Commerce is all about and why does a customer would like to purchase e-commerce solutions over WebSphere Commerce. So this is a website developed by IBM where they highlight few of the important features of WebSphere Commerce, which makes them stand apart from other similar tools available in the market. So we'll start up with order management. So hopefully all of you might have already done some purchase using some of the online portals, and you might be aware how important order management is for any e-commerce website or solution. The order management not only deals with the way how the user places an order, but it also deals with management of your inventory, fulfillment of the order, tracking of the order till it reaches its customer properly. So all these things form the part of the order management system. Now WCS as a solution provides a very extensive mechanism of managing your orders, capturing of our order details, and sharing the order details with other third-party systems. Next, we will talk about customer experience, which is again very important factor to increase the revenue. The more customers come to your websites, there are more chances they make a purchase and you end up generating more revenue. So the experience that the customer gets on your website has to be really enjoyable. It should not be something where a customer doesn't get to see or doesn't feel the way how he would feel or realize shopping in a physical store. So there are various options nowadays that e-commerce solution provides. For example, as you can see here on a website, a product can be viewed into various colors, into different sizes, so that the customer knows what exactly he is going to purchase and how it would look like. So he gets an idea of the product that he's buying and he can buy it more confidently. Apart from that, you can also have rating and reviews integrated on your website so that the customer can read the reviews left by fellow shoppers, and then that would help them into making a better decision. And WCS also provides an out of the box business tool called Management Center, which you can use to manage all these features onto the website. Next, we'll talk about mobile commerce. Now, in today's date, mobile or smartphones has become very easily available with everybody, and more people are trying to interact with all the websites using mobile devices, and hence it becomes equally important that your e-commerce solutions is capable of handling mobile devices. So your website should open up properly onto any kind of mobile device, whether it is a tablet or an iPhone or a smartphone or a desktop, whatever device it is, it should open up properly. And WebSphere Commerce has this capability inbuilt, so you don't have to struggle to get your website optimized for different devices. As you can see in the example here, the same website adapts itself to various screen resolutions and sizes. Next, we will talk about social commerce. Again, with the rise of social media such as Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, etc., people are interacting more and more with each other, and this has become a very important medium for the organization to interact with the customers as well, to get their feedback or to promote some products. It has become a very important medium, and WCS provides you the opportunity to leverage this feature, and you can have social commerce installed on your application and make use of these scenarios. Precision marketing is another important feature that WebSphere Commerce provides, where you can target your customers individually. For example, if a customer is looking at a particular product, you can show him recommendations with products similar to the one that he's looking, so that the customer gets what he wants to buy, or he gets some sort of suggestion to make a correct decision. You can also have recommendations set up in a manner where if a customer made a purchase previously on your website, you can tell him that there are few more products that he already purchased that he might be interested into buying again. So these are small business strategies that you can build up at an individual level to target your customers more precisely. Discount and promotions, again, very important feature wherein you can run different discounts and promotion on your website. You can run various sales so that more and more customer gets attracted to your website and end up making a purchase. Multi-site management is again another very good and interesting feature that is available with WebSphere Commerce. What multi-site management allows you to do is you can host as many number of websites as you can on the same WebSphere Commerce platform, which means the database and the code base would remain the same, but at the same time you would be able to create as many websites as you can. For example, if you see here, there are three websites shown. Though these three websites look different from each other, the code and the database being shared is the same. So this has a lot of advantage to the customers or the organizations because they don't have to spend money to manage or maintain various versions of the websites or to maintain various infrastructural or hardware cost. That's definitely a big advantage that WCS provides. Merchandising again deals with how your products are managed, how they are associated with each other, so that when a customer looks for a particular product, he finds it more and more easily. That allows the business to cross-sell and upsell product, and again that helps you land up with more and more sale and hence generating more revenue. Web analytics is again very important feature that you must have on your website or your e-commerce solution so that you can track how the customers are interacting with your website. What are the pages which are being liked the most? What are the pages which are not being visited at all? And something that you can do to improve the visits. You can also see in the real time how the guests are interacting, what are the orders that are getting placed, is there something which is going wrong with your website or not, and any corrective action that you can take. Globalization, again, very important feature. So nowadays most of the organizations are global, they have presence in various countries, and all these different countries have their own tax rule, pricing rules. The products that are sold might be different from one geographic location to another. Now, you want a solution that would be capable of handling all these cases, and WebSphere Commerce does allow you to do that. So, having the same code base, the database, and the infrastructure, you can very well create a solution which is capable of displaying or handling different geographic regions. So, the same website, when opened from China, would show different set of products or different pricing rules or shipping rules, whereas the same website open from some other geography location would show some other pricing rules and products. And the good thing is that everything is maintained through the same infrastructure. So the effort that you need to spend is reduced incredibly. Next is extensibility, where WCS is a very versatile tool, and though it provides a lot of features out of the box, you are not restricted in case if you want to extend the existing features or if you want to add more and more features on top of the existing solution. So WebSphere Commerce provides a development environment which the developers can use to override or modify any of the existing features or add more and more features to the tool. Though IBM releases new new features every now and then, but you are also open to add and create your own features. So those are some of the key features of WCS that makes it stand separate from the other similar solutions available in the market. And as of now, WebSphere Commerce is the leading e-commerce solution that is there in the market. A customer can purchase an WCS license and they can go online in a matter of few days with minimum effort. And that is the best thing that a organization can gain if they want to quickly go online. I will now quickly show you how the WebSphere Commons development environment looks like. And as you can see, I have IBM RAD tool open in front of me, which is the development environment that IBM supports. And all the projects corresponding to different features, different tools that IBM provides are already present, as you can see in my workspace. So I don't need to spend time in study of the workspace, etc. And the different projects allows you to modify different features of WebSphere Commerce. So all I need to do is go and create the Java files that I need. For example, I have some practice files created here. And during our course, I'll be using RAD, creating various components, doing various modifications to the existing features using the RAD tool, which you would be able to see and follow. And using the software that we provide, you would be able to practice it at your end as well. I will also be giving you various exercises that you'll have to complete. The exercises will be based on the industry practices so that you get more awareness around what kind of changes that comes in every day-to-day projects. So you have more hands-on knowledge and you are more comfortable in case you land up into a project with WebSphere Commerce. I will now take you through the course agenda in brief. So, like I already mentioned, the course would last for around 30 days with 1.5 hours daily. And these are the various topics that we would cover. So we'll start off with our description about the runtime architecture and the development model of WebSphere Commerce, followed by knowledge on customizing of storefront pages, customization of business logic, the controller commands, database, etc. We'll also look into customization of the persistence layer, which is over EJBs. So we'll see how EJBs are created and modified in WebSphere Commerce. We'll also look into the BOD architecture that WCS uses for some of its components. We'll also look into the data service layer of BOD. We'll look into various tools that WCS provides, such as the management center. We'll look into what is precision marketing, how promotions are created, and other business strategies are created. We'll also look into how web services are used and created in WebSphere Commerce. We look into the payment modules. We'll also look into various other tools such as Dynacache, data load, accelerator, admin console, etc. And these are some of the topics that I have listed down, but obviously we are free to add in more topics as per your need and requirement and cover them as well during the course. So thank you, and we look forward to have you on board. Thanks a lot.